Hello everyone, I'm Dennis Bruin from Advantage Label. We're going to show you some videos on how to set up your Line Boss. Inside the box here, with a screwdriver, we unlock it. Our controls for our conveyor belt is actually on a potentiometer. We unlock it, and clockwise, we can speed up the belt, or counterclockwise, we can go back to slow the belt down. You'll notice your speed results are going to be right here for your system speed of your belt, and you'll be able to gradually see how slow the belt is going to meet your applicator needs. When you find the right setting that you're happy with, just going to lock it with this little switch on the top, and you're set.